bytes, the second set of binary games. All right, so you know in base 10, there are 10 possible digits from 0 to 9, and if you write a number like 147, that means 1 times 100 plus 4 times 10 plus 7. We're all used to that. That's base 10. The place on the right is the ones place, then the tens place, then the hundreds place. In base 2, you only have 0 and 1, and so instead you have the ones place, the twos place, and the fours place. So with 3 digits, you can count up to 7. 111 is 1 plus 2 plus 4 for 7, and that's as high as you can get with only 3 bits. But with 4 bits, you can get up to 15, 0 to 15, 1111. That's called a nibble, half of a byte. So you have a ones place, a twos place, a 4 place, and an 8s place. And for a byte, you can just continue that. Then you have 16, 32, 64, and 128. So this 8-bit byte is got 128 plus nothing plus 16 and 8 plus 1. So you can add those up and get to 153. So this is one way to turn bytes from base 2 into base 10. All right, and so again, you can find a flag by getting a bunch of these right. There's 2 challenges here. The first one is to convert this number to decimal. Let me make it a little bit smaller so it fits on one line. And this is not standard, but I do this. I put a space in the middle so the left 4 bits are separated from the right 4 bits to make it easier. So does anybody know what this is? Let's see if we can get anybody in Twitch to respond. Okay, I see a vote for 29. Any other votes? Let me show you how the answer is 15. And let's, it's 15 because you just count from the right. This is the number of ones, this is the number of twos, this is the number of fours, and this is the number of 8s. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, which is 15. All right. Anyway, let's try another one. How about this one? What is that one in decimal? Okay, I've got it. Yes, very good. It's 123. And you could do it by taking 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 16, 32, and 64. Now what I did was I sort of cheated. I recognized this is 7, so 7 times 16. That's one way to do it. You can read the left nibble and multiply by 16. 7 times 16 is 112, and this is 11. But anyway, the answer is indeed 123. How about this one? Okay, I've got it. That's right, 194. This is 128 plus 64, which is 192, and 2 more give you 194. All right, this will be the last one. What do you think of this? I've got it. Yes. And it is a good trick to multiply the first one by 16, and that'll lead us into hex next time. Yeah. Anyway, do you have this one? Yep, 105. Because this is 64 plus 32 for 96, and this is 9. So 96 plus 9 is 105. And there you go. All right. Well, that's all I wanted to show you. Let me stop.